Good morning, class, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, our topic is subject-verb agreement. What are our learning outcomes? Or what do we seek to achieve at the end of this lesson? By the end of this lesson, the learners will be able to explain the meaning of a subject in a sentence. 2, the learners will be able to explain the meaning of a verb in a sentence. Number 3, the learners will be able to identify a subject in a given sentence. Number 4, the learners will be able to identify a verb in a given sentence. Now, let's proceed. What is the meaning of a subject in a sentence? The subject of a sentence is the one that performs the action in the sentence. Please write that in your books and let's proceed. Now, let's look at the two statements on the board. Statement 1. Thomas kicked the ball. Please read that with me. Thomas kicked the ball. Now, let's look at the sentence critically. When you ask the question, who kicked the ball? What will be the answer? Thomas. This means Thomas was the one that performed the action in the sentence. For that reason, we can conclude that Thomas is the subject. Please, do you understand that? Okay, let's proceed. So, we can say that once Thomas was the person or the one that performed the action, Kate, then we can conclude that Thomas is the subject. Thomas is the subject. Now let's look at the second statement. The second statement says, the cat jumped over the wall. The cat jumped over the wall. The question is, who jumped over the wall? The answer is the cat. For this reason, we can say that the cat is the subject. Please, do you understand that? All right, let's make progress. Now, let's look at this verb. What is the verb of a sentence? The verb of the sentence of a sentence is the action performed by the subject. So when you look at the two statements, the first one, Thomas kicked the ball. What action did Thomas perform? Kick. For this reason, we say kick is the verb. Please, do you understand? Should I repeat? Okay. Thomas performed an action. What action did Thomas perform? Kick. For this reason, we are saying that kick is the verb because the action performed by Thomas was kick. So, kick is the verb. Let's look at sentence 2. The cat jumped over the wall. An action was performed by the subject. That is the cat. And what was the action? Jump. For this reason, we can say that jump is the verb of the sentence. Please, do you understand? Go. So, in conclusion, we can say that the subject of a sentence is the action